Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python Visual Studio Code. First, download and install Visual Studio Code on your system. Next, open VS Code and navigate to the Extensions view. Search for Python and install the official Microsoft Python extension. Finally, select your Python interpreter by opening the command palette and choosing Python. Select Interpreter. This ensures VS Code uses the correct Python version for your projects. Now that your environment is set up, let's write some code. Create a new file in VS Code and save it with a py extension, for example, hello py. Type a simple print statement like print hello Python. To run your script, click the Run Python File in Terminal button in the top right corner or right-click in the editor and select the same option. You'll see your output in the integrated terminal. Debugging is a powerful tool for understanding your code. To start, click in the gutter next to a line number to set a breakpoint. Then, press F5 or click the Run and Debug button. Your program will pause at the breakpoint, allowing you to inspect variables and step through your code line by line. Also, explore extensions like Pylance for advanced IntelliSense and Black for automatic code formatting to boost your productivity. For more advanced workflows, leverage the integrated terminal for running commands and managing packages. Consider using virtual environments to isolate project dependencies, preventing conflicts between different projects. This keeps your global Python installation clean and organized. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading programming books, as well as other great deals to help you on your learning journey. Happy coding!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.